Hi everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Forts Peters, Comforts Peters, but my friends call me Forts. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking my link and watching this video. Yes, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. I know I've been away for forever, but I am back now. I am better and I have gist for you guys. So let's get into this video because I don't want to waste time. Yeah, so I had to be away for a while because a lot of things happened. You know, when life just happens now, you don't know, you just disappear. And for me, I don't like pressure, so I had to just chill. I am back now and I am a graduate. I've graduated, so I have time to focus on my makeup and focus on content creating and my YouTube channel, which is just very beautiful. I have been waiting for this for a very long time and I am happy I am here and I can share my story with you guys. We can just enjoy and just chill together. So I have a couple of things I would like to discuss with you guys today, and I just want to ask you guys to please engage my post, comment whatever is in your heart when you're watching my video. Post it, whether positive or negative. Shall post it, let me see it and appreciate you. Thank you. As you watch, just enjoy. Grab your popcorn. I don't really do popcorn, just enjoy my video. So I gained admission in 2017, but I resumed in 2018 and I was supposed to graduate in 2021. But you know how the educational sector in Nigeria is, like, it was not funny. It was looking as if graduation was not going to come and it was stressful, right? But thank God this year, 2023 June, we signed out, we graduated, and I'm very excited. I can't wait for service. I am just open to the new experiences I'll get, and I'm just happy that I've been able to escape from the University of Jos, because Nigeria universities, public universities, oh my god, you guys know now it's not for the weak. So I'm happy that at least I've attained that point in my life where I've reached that point in my life where I can say I am a graduate. I have my first degree and I'm so excited about it. So I studied rehabilitation sciences in the University of Jos and I have graduated. I am happy. I met amazing people, oh god, from 2018 till now, my classmates, the friends I made in school. I'm so happy that I got to experience those beautiful people and their personalities. It helped me. And at the end of the day, when your family, like your immediate family, are not present, those people are like the people that hold you down and help you. If you're lucky enough to have good people like I do, you will understand what I am saying. So I'm grateful for my experience in the university and I am just looking forward to what life has to offer, and I am positive about it. One of the things I've always had in mind for my YouTube channel is the fact that I want to be original. I just want to be me. I just want to be comfort. I don't want to go with the normal hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and then you'll know what is happening next, like the script. I just want to be just me, and I don't have to pretend or try to get the camera in a certain angle. Yes, I love all those things, but I noticed that for the times when I wanted perfection, I just sat down and I did nothing, and then time kept on going, and you can't buy time, you can't go back to that time. So I wouldn't want that again. I'll just try my best to bring it on and do it the way it is, you get, and I hope that will happen and go well for me. So 2020, the ending of 2022 stroke this year has really shown me that adulting is not even for the weak. I used to think that, oh, one day I'll be an adult and my life will just go, I'll just be enjoying myself and everything will just be going well. Until I got faced with a lot of life challenges and wins at the same time, and I'm like, oh, okay, so this story that I think is my story is already on and I had no clue about it. Trust me, I had really really crazy experiences that is enough to make someone just shut out and not even want to face the world and all that. But I am here today and I am happy and I am. So after school I was wondering, I said, so I've been away for 4 years and then I'll come back home. What will I be doing? Like, I'll not come and sit down. I had lots of feelings. I had mixed feelings about that, but I am enjoying it. I am happy because I know that life is in process. You cannot be in one spot forever. You just have to move. And I'm ready. I am grateful for growth. I am ready that everything that happened, and I'm just open to embracing new experiences. And I hope that whoever is watching this video right now will have beautiful and positive things happening to them at every time in their life. You won't be faced with really difficult situation, and even if you do, you have God to help you, and everything will just happen the way God has said it will happen. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that has sat down to watch this video. I am really grateful. So I would love to work towards getting more subscribers, and I can't do it on my own. You guys can help me. Please share my links to your friends. Ask them to subscribe to my channel. Post it on your social media, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Telegram. Disturb the whole nation because I am back, right? So that we'll have a very good experience together. Thank you everybody for watching my YouTube video. Thank you for clicking my link. Thank you for subscribing. Please, anytime I post videos, please encourage me by clicking, by watching, and dropping your comments. It's very, very important, and it will go a long way. It will help me know that you guys are watching and you guys enjoy what I am doing. And I am very, very positive that we're going to have a very beautiful ride, and this channel is going to go places. I know that it looks like it's just like this now, but I am sure that it will go places. This channel is for makeup, lifestyle, and awareness. We'll be talking about different things. I've been faced with a lot of situations that I even go online to look for how to solve them, you get. But I am sure that if we're able to tell our experiences and we're able to share how we're able to overcome them, it will help someone out there. And I am embracing it. I'm ready for it to happen that way.